So Python program to calculate electricity bill. In this we have two types of tariffs. One is domestic and commercial. That is your connection type. Either you are supposed to enter 1 or 2 and the other input is number of units. If type is 1, we need to follow the tariffs to be imposed on domestic rates. I'll just show the rates. Right, so domestic units 0 to 100 is 2 rupees per unit, 101 to 300 is 3.50, above 300 is 5. Commercial 0 to 100 is 4 per unit, and 101 to 300 is 6 per unit, and above 300 is 8 per unit. So now look at the conditions. If type is 1, if units less than or equal to 100, less than or equal to 100 means 0 to 100 is 2 rupees per unit. Less than or equal to 300, elif means if not less than or equal to 100 means greater than 100, less than or equal to 300, your bill is up to 100 units, it is 2 rupees, and more than 100 units, up to 100 is 2 rupees, and more than 100, that is the reason why units minus 100, more than 100 is 3.5. The other case, up to 100 is 2 rupees, up to 200 units is 3.5, and more than 300 is 5 rupees. The same notations for type 2, the commercial. So we have the notations of if, elif notations used in the program. If your input is other than 1 and 2, then invalid connection type and exit.